Welcome back, everybody. I'm here to make this really quick video to talk about pellet vent pipe. Okay, we're having customers that are installing their own pellet systems, and pellet systems as in pipe venting, and they're writing us and they are asking why they're getting the smell of exhaust gases inside of their home. Now, pellet vent pipe, where they come together and then you twist lock it, pellet vent stoves operate under negative pressure. And what that means is it takes the flue gases from inside of the stove and it forces it out of the combustion fan into the chimney. Now, that pressure will find any leak inside of your pellet system where the connectors are made. Okay, so what we normally do and what we suggest and what we do when we install systems is you always want to put a fine little bead of silicone around the male portion, so when you end up putting the female over it and twist lock it, it will make an airtight seal. This will eliminate any smells and smoke entering your home, which honestly I've never seen so many phone calls about this as of late, but I can understand that it is that time of year. But always remember that you must silicone the pipe joints together. Now, this also includes where the combustion fan meets your T or your clean out. You have to silicone that also. So you want everything from your combustion fan all the way up and out to be siliconed. Otherwise, you will have the smell of pellets burning or creosote or exhaust gases entering your home. Not all the time. It's normally when you crank the stove up and you're really pushing the exhaust gases out, or when the pellet stove first fires off where there's a lot of smoke, and that's when your chimney normally starts to bellow the smoke out the top of the chimney or out the wall if you have a horizontal venting. So that's just a quick tip for all you out there that have been calling us. We're trying to help you, the rest of you out there, so that you don't have this problem. Alrighty? You guys stay safe out there. Peace.